Hi everyone, welcome to Inspire HR. Today I'm going to explain about how to configure employee code automatically. To create employee code automatically, we need to follow few prerequisites. Those are we need to create company master, location master, branch master, and department master. After creating the department, we need to change settings in Inspire to generate employee code either automatically or manually. For that, go to Administration and click on System Utilities. Select Inspire Settings. Under Organization, we see the option to Employee Code Generation. We see the options Manual, System or Automatic, and both. If we select Manual, while creating Employee in Employee Master, we need to manually provide the employee code. If we select System or Automatic, based on our configurations, system will automatically generate employee code. If we select both, then both manual and automatic employee code generation are possible. Here I'm selecting the option automatic and click on submit. Now we have successfully saved the configurations. Now let me show how to configure employee code auto generation. Go to organization and click on employee code auto generation. We can generate employee IDs based on company, location, branch and department. Here we have already configured employee codes to these companies. If you would like to add another company, go to Add More and select one row as you would like to add one company. Now select the company name. Under Employment, we have multiple drop-downs like All, Contract, Permanent, Profession, Trainee and Consultant. Based on this employment type, we can select the employment type and create the employee code. If you would like to add employee code in a specific format, mention the formatting prefix. For example, here I am selecting the prefix as EIND. In start from, you can select the number from which you would like to start the series. Here I am selecting the series from 100. If you would like to end the employee code in specific format, select the available options from suffix type. If you want to manually enter your own text, then select free text. Here you can enter any text as per your requirement. If you don't want any suffix, then select the drop-down None. After selecting all the fields, you can see the final employee code in preview. If you want to make any changes, you can change as per your requirements. If not, click on Update. So the data has been successfully saved. Similarly, if you would like to generate employee ID based on location, select the location and select the company. Click on Search. Now fill all the fields. Select the location, employer type, all, or you can select as per your requirement. Prefix, I'm providing it as EIND and start from 200. I'm providing suffix type as free text. Here I'm selecting the suffix as H. You can see the final preview here and click on Update. Let's go to Employee Master and check if employee code is assigned automatically to the employee. Go to Organization and click on Employee Master. Select Hire Employee. Select the fields as per your requirement. Select the company name and then location, branch, department, employment type and select the date of join. Click on Next. We see that employee ID is automatically assigned. This is how we need to configure employee code automatically. Thank you.